What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the table is looking a little bit different. There's somewhat of a different look to it. But yeah, doing some work now on the front wheel drive build, and it's all pulled apart because before I was saying that I need some upgrades. I ended up stripping the gears in the diff, and I do have the factory one I can use, but I'm not going to be using that anymore. I did actually order some stuff, as I mentioned before. So just waiting on those to come in. I'm going to be giving the car a nice little wipe down, to clean it up. These are the old electronics. I might end up using them again. This ESC, I was kind of certain that I blew it up, but luckily I didn't. So I might end up putting it back in the car. But I do have this one right here, which is a Mamba X ESC, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm almost sure it goes right up to 6S, but we won't be needing that type of upgrade. We'll be sticking with the 2S. I put a 3S in my Evolution 5 all-wheel drive, so stay tuned for that content, because I will definitely be doing a review on that and some runs with that, as I'll be slapping back in my GNS analyzer. For all those who are not familiar with that, it is this thing over here. Just give me a second. It's this device over here where I can get mile per hour times and also 132 feet times. So I'll be doing that. So far nothing much really has been done to it apart from the mods that I mentioned before. But now with 3S in the car, that should be really sick. So back to this. I ordered a new set of gears, which is including this spur gear right here. I am going to gear the car up a little bit more. I won't really be revealing the gearing on the car and how much I'm going up, but this is just an update. Still working on that wide body upgrade that I'm doing. As I did mention before, I do have to spray the car, the front of it, and then add back the intercooler, but I'm thinking about getting a different intercooler, but we'll see. Stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned.